Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting lesson in store for you. We are going to learn the names of various vehicles in Hindi, all while using English as our guide. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with some common vehicles. First up, we have the horse carriage, which is ghoda gadi in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Ghoda gadi. Fantastic. I will repeat this. Horse carriage. Ghoda gadi. Now, let's move to the crane, which is crane in Hindi. Give it a try, crane. Excellent. I will repeat this. Crane. Crane. Now, let's move to the road roller, which is sadak belan in Hindi. Give it a try, sadak belan. Excellent. I will repeat this. Road roller. Sadak belan. Road roller. Sadak belan. Now, let's move to the truck, which is trek in Hindi. Give it a try, trek. Excellent. I will repeat this. Truck. Trek. Truck. Trek. Now, let's move to the scooty, which is scooty in Hindi. Give it a try, scooty. Excellent. I will repeat this. Scooty. 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 Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. Horse carriage, ghoda gadi. Crane, crane. Road roller, sadak belan. Truck, trek. Scooty, scooty. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging language lessons. Also, let us know in the comments below if you'd like to learn more about different topics in Hindi. Dhanyavad.